Hello and welcome to our latest transfer news. Esperance de Tunis have failed in their pursuit of Orlando Pirates striker Evidence Makgoba. The 25-year-old striker has been long on the radar of Tunisian giants, who made an official approach to Pirates as they look to land a replacement for Brazilian Rodrigo Rodrigues, who returned to his homeland of Brazil with Coritiba. Esperance have been casting an eye on the talent from the PSL in recent times, having made attempts to sign Ozwin Apolis in the past, and also their transfer of Elias Mokwana from Sekhukhune United. The Bafana Bafana winger Elias Mokwana won a domestic treble, featured in 38 games with 7 goals and 4 assists, and has since been loaned to Saudi Pro League side Al Hazem. However, Esperance have been rejected by both Orlando Pirates and also Evidence Makgoba, who stated he's not interested in moving to North Africa, having recently signed a new long-term deal with the Buccaneers. It's no secret that Makgoba has a release clause of close to 20 million rand that could be activated should a foreign club be keen to sign him. Mamelodi Sundowns' latest increased bid for Mathiasinho has been turned down, as Sport Recife are seemingly not ready to let go of the player. Mathiasinho, who's currently on loan at Brazilian side Sport Recife from the Portuguese side Santa Clara, with the 27-year-old recently joining Recife on loan with an obligation to make the deal permanent, has seen a bid of 1.7 million euros, about 34.6 million rands, rejected after the last bid of 1.5 million euros, about 30 million rands, was rejected. According to reports, Recife are not entertaining any offers for the midfielder, and time is not on Mamelodi Sundowns side, with the South African transfer window closing in 6 days' time. And Recife are aiming to keep Mathiasinho to help them to survive relegation, as they are currently sitting at the bottom of the Brazilian top flight league with 11 points and 12 points behind safety after 21 games. So let me hear your thoughts down below. What do you think of Mamelodi Sundowns failing to sign Mathiasinho as the replacement of Lucas Ribeiro? Former Kaizer Chiefs defender Taifu Mashamaite has been appointed as the new head coach of newly promoted Limpopo ABC Motsepe League side Phalaborwa United. So yeah, that's the end of the news for today. See you next time.